Updating your billing information on WooCommerce is essential for ensuring that your transactions are processed smoothly. Follow these steps to quickly update your billing details. Step 1. Log into your WooCommerce account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the My Account section in the dashboard menu. Click on it to access your account settings where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Billing Information. Within the My Account section, find the Billing Addresses or Billing Information option. Click on this to view your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. In the Billing Information section, you can edit your existing details. Make the necessary changes, such as updating your address, phone number, or payment method. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, ensure you click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This will confirm your updates and keep your billing information current. Now you have successfully updated your billing information on WooCommerce. Regularly check your details to ensure they remain accurate for future transactions.